Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Today we will do an activity on the sounds of animals and birds. Animals and
Birds.
you know, animals and birds also having their own ways of talking. You know? Yes. Chalo, let's start the game.
Yes. The sound of cat. Meow. 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 Meow.
What is the sound of cat?
Mews.
What is sound of cat?
Mews.
The sound of cat is mews. Very good.
The sound of peacock.
What is sound of peacock?
Crickety.
What is sound of peacock?
Crickety.
Good.
Sound of goat.
Okay. What is the sound of goat?
Bleed.
Bleed. The goat says bleed. Yes.
Sound of dog.
What is sound of dog?
Bark. Bark.
Bark. Very good. Bark.
The sound of cock.
Okay. What is sound of cock?
Crowing.
Crowing. Next. Sound of
Sound of
cow.
cow.
What is the sound of cow?
Mews.
Moose.
Moose.
Cow says moose. Good. Next.
The sound of lion.
The sound of lion is
Roar.
roar. Good. The sound of lion is
Roar.
good. Very good. Clapping करो अपने लिए. Good job.